Ever heard of Transylvania, Dracula's home country? It's an actual place in the heart of Romania. While blessed with scenery and rich history, 24% of Romanians still work in agriculture, compared to only 4% in the European Union, while another 30% work in manufacturing. Technology has taken big leaps towards automation, and we now find ourselves on the brink of the fourth industrial revolution. This means that most of the traditional jobs will be automated, causing mass unemployment. The International Monetary Fund predicts that more than half of the current jobs will be affected by automation. Automation in many industries will increase the quality of life, but it also has a disruptive effect. This got us thinking, and we started looking for a solution. And the only way we can encourage lasting change is through education. We started by holding in-person courses, but we couldn't fit everyone in a classroom. That's when we got together and started building TransylvanianAcademy.com, a platform where we provide free, live, online courses on the latest technologies, from basic programming all the way to artificial intelligence. Our first courses already gathered stellar reviews and an enthusiastic community around them, and that's why we want to expand our reach and make the opportunity available to more and more students. Help us by sharing our campaign, donating, and maybe enrolling as one of our teachers. Make a positive change in the world through free, future-relevant education at TransylvanianAcademy.com.